Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in this video session, which is regarding the Swastha Vrutta subject. And we are just observing, just seeing, and checking the question paper. Swastha Vrutta paper 1 question papers. Yes, here we are. Now I can make screen bigger so that it will be more fun for you. Yes, I hope the screen is there. I am there. So myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Raghuvir Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine, that is Kaya Chikitsa, and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology, that is Kriya Sharir. My personal website is ayurvedicfriend.com. My WhatsApp number is 922 6810630, and my mail ID professordeshpande@gmail.com. I welcome all of you in this Swastha Vrutta paper 1 question papers. As usual, let me have some basic understanding about this subject. Swastha Vrutta is a very important subject in the curriculum of Ayurveda. Swastha and Vritta. Swastha means healthy person and Vritta means information. So in this subject, we learn, all we who wish to learn Ayurveda, we learn, maybe BMS students, allopathic students, homeopathic students, naturopathic students. Please try to understand this subject is important for each and every person on this world, in this world. Each and every person, because everybody wants to remain healthy and happy. So swastha means healthy person and vritta is the information. So what should I do if I want to remain healthy person? This is the simple, what you can say, the motto of this particular subject. This subject is included at the moment in the 3rd year BMS course, Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. This syllabus is designed by CCRM, Central Council of Indian Medicine, and this is executed by the different universities in India. For example, I am from Pune, Maharashtra state. Here we have MUHS, Maharashtra University of Health Sciences, head office at Nashik and regional office in Pune. So these particular universities, or Jamnagar University or Kerala University or Rajiv Gandhi University, what they do, they just implement in their areas, in their states, particular this curriculum or the syllabus. Now, what is the importance of syllabus? Many students ask me, Dr. Deshpande, sir, please tell us how to learn, how to make a confidence in my subject, how to get through in my examination, how I should be topper, how I should get pass. So for all this purpose, 2 things are important. Number 1, syllabus, and number 2, question papers. 1, syllabus, number 2, question papers. I personally call that syllabus is like a driver of your vehicle. When you want to pass 1st year BMS, when you want to pass 2nd year, 3rd year, 4th year BMS, I want to pass Rachana Sharir Anatomy. I want to pass Swastha Vrutta in the 3rd year BMS. So how I should begin? First, I should check the syllabus. Each and every point of syllabus should be learned by heart. Mug up. It should be in your brain. And then you can revise by yourself. When you are alone, when you don't have understand what to do, then just recall all this syllabus point and try to find out whether I can speak minimum 5 minutes on each point without referring any notes or the books. This is the method how you can study. Do you understand? And secondly, so that that syllabus tells you which topics I should cover in this subject to reach to my target, to reach to my destination. Suppose I am driving my vehicle from Pune to Bombay, Pune to Delhi. So I should know where I have to reach. That Google now gives the maps, GPS. But this syllabus is like a GPS. Syllabus is like GPS, and Professor Deshpande has already uploaded many subject syllabus. Nearly 50% syllabus are on my YouTube. I have my YouTube, the new fresh comers, they must understand that Professor Deshpande is talking about Ayurveda and health, and up till now, 550 plus videos are there. Scientific videos. They may be little bit longer because they are not time pass videos. They have to learn by heart, understand the subject, make a confidence. And this requires tapascharya, stamina, consistency should be there. And that is why all videos, you must check it out. My videos are helpful for students, professors, doctors, and practitioners, and also for the layman. So syllabus is like GPS, like a driver. And what are like a question papers? Many people, many teachers, many students, they say, Dr. Deshpande, are you making the students exam oriented? No, no, my dear friends. But question papers will definitely helpful while studying, where I should make a more concentration, more focus, which topics are more important, not for exam. As they are important for exam, they are also important for practice. How you can separate exam separate, practice separate? No. Whatever you study for exam, it is definitely helpful for your practice. But this gives us the best idea which topic should be hammered, repeated, revision should be expected, and which should be 100% perfect. So this idea we can get by conductor. You know, when we are driving by public transport like a bus, then there is a driver and there is conductor. Ting, stop, ting, stop, ting, stop, ting, ting, go ahead. So stop, go, stop, go. So you have to stop at these questions. When the topic will come regarding this question, you have to stop, revise again and again, make it perfect. Because these topics are not only for exam, these are important for your practice as well. So this is Dr. Deshpande has given good introduction, how the syllabus is important and how the question papers are also important. Syllabus should be mentioned by the teachers at the first day, in the first month, in the first week of the teaching program. That is called as a ATP, Advanced Teaching Program. I used to use this particular method in my teaching method. I give the students on the first day itself, which are the important books, what is the syllabus, who am I, what is my introduction. Then I make a group of the WhatsApp group. Then I send all these people the important question papers as well. And then I declare that on particular date, for example, 10th of October, I will teach this thing. 15th of October, I will teach this thing. So students come with the preparation. So 3 times revision. They come with little bit reading because I have written 50 plus books, Marathi, Hindi, English, and also German. So this is this method. Students should come prepared. I also send them the PPTs. They read those at home. Then they learn. They interact with me in the classes. And after going home, again they revise. So particular procedure and post. Purva karma, pradhana karma, and paschata karma. These are the words in Ayurveda in Pancha karma. Purva karma, pradhana karma, and paschata karma. Same method for educational technology. Many people, viewers, they say, sir, start the topics. Are beta, are bhaiya, my friend, this, what I am talking is also important for your life. So don't neglect anything from first minute to last minute. Okay, let us start. Now, who is called as a swastha? Swastha means healthy person. So Shruta has given the definition. Samadoshaha samagnishcha, samadhatu malakriyaha, prasanna atma indriya manaha, swastha iti abhidhyate. Sama means equilibrium, balanced, homeostasis of dosha, dhatu and mala, bioenergies, body tissues and waste product, and agni, metabolic process. Prasanna atma indriya manaha, metaphysical aspect, sensory organs, motor organs, mind, then mind and soul. All these should be very active condition. Prasannatva. How you can define prasannatva? Indriya patutvena. If your indriyas are very sharp and skillful, then that is called as a patuta. Please write down. Patuta. This is given in the Ashtanga Sangra Indutika. Patuta, skill of Indriya, is prasannatva. What is prasannatva of mind? Manaha amodena. Amoda means happy. Your mind should be happy without any reason. If I have the bungalow, I am happy. If I have the 1 crore in my bank, I am happy. If I have the very good car, then I am happy. If I have good wife, then I am happy. No, 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 no. Happiness without any reason, that is amod. That indicates the prasannatva of mind. And how the prasannatva of atma? Atma santoshena. Santosha. Santosha means satisfaction. So if the person is satisfied, then you can understand his atma is in very good state. Prasanna, soul principle, vital energy, vital life force. So Dr. Deshpande in the beginning of question paper has discussed about the Swastha Vritta subject and how you can maintain your health. That is what we require in the corona pandemic. You know, corona pandemic. We require our immunity should be strong. And how our immunity can be strong? By following Swastha Vritta. My dear friends, I have visited America, Switzerland, Germany, Italy, and Spain from 1993 to 2014. 20 years. Every year, these foreigners invited me and I visited that countries to take the seminars, to give the lifestyle counseling. Because I cannot practice as an Ayurvedic doctor, but lifestyle counseling can be done. And that lifestyle counseling is majoritarily based on Swastha Vritta subject. Very interesting subject. We are discussing paper 1. Some things I will keep for the paper 2. Okay. So you can mail me for health problem, like online consultation I do. I do the palmistry. I take the online classes of the students for the important topics. So all these facilities, paid services are there. You can contact me whenever you want. Next. Appeal to the CCIM and Ayush by Professor Deshpande. I request, humble request to MUHS, to CCIM. On their website, they must upload all these question banks and question papers. Why not? They must. Then there is no need that person, Dr. Deshpande, is doing this job for the university, for the CCIM, for the Ayush. I request these higher authorities, institutions to do my job. So my job will be less. What is this PPT? It includes the MUHS, Maharashtra University of Health Science question papers 2016, rather 15, 16, 17 and 18. 4 years, summer, winter, and sometime 18 only summer I have papers. Winters 2016, SAQ 3 marks, SAQ 5 marks, and LAQ, long answer question, 15 marks. For 3 marks, you have to write down 3/4 of the full paper. 3/4. For 5 marks, 1 full page. And for 15 marks, minimum 3 full-scape pages your answer should be. For 3 marks, you take 5 minutes to write down. For 5 marks, you take 7 to 8 minutes. And for 15 marks, you must allot 15 minutes in 3 hours. So this is the time schedule also I am telling you. What is the question? Swastha Vritta Prayojana. Of course, Swasthasya Swastha Rakshanam. Different definitions of yoga. How this yoga word has arrived? Yogastu Chitta Vritti Nirodhaha. To control the physical and mental activities is the definition of yoga. Yogastu Karma Kushalaha. Skillful job, skillful activity. Okay. Then Ardha Shakti Vyayam. Explain. What is Ardha Shakti Vyayam? Exercise. When there is a sweating and the forehead Here axilla sweating is there. Your mouth is little bit dry. These are some indications when you can understand my capacity is enough. I should stop this exercise. 1D question. SAQ, 3 marks. Ritu Haritaki. According to season, Shishira, Vasanta, Grishma, Varsha, Sharad, Hemant, how I can use Haritaki herb, churna, powders, tablet, which Anupan I should use. Then 1E, Yoga Siddhikara Bhav. I am not discussing answer of each question. That some another time. This is just revision and little bit comments whenever possible. Okay. Sushumna Nadi. Yoga part. Sushumna, central. Ida and Pingala. Vamanadi or Chandranadi and Surya Nadi. This you know. Okay. SAQ 5 marks. Describe the process and benefits of Prayogik Dhumapan. There is a difference, not the Dhumrapana, nicotine, no. Herbal Dhumapan. Okay, herbal Dhumapan. One, we have to take a dhum with the mouth and all these things, and we have to exhale only through the mouth, not with the nose. That is Dhumapana and not Dhumrapana. No. To be Ashtavidha Ahara Vidhi Visheshayatana. At last, if the time permits, I will explain this. This is coming from the Kriya Shari. Ashtavidha Ahara Vidhi Visheshayatana Prakriti Karana Sanyoga Rashi Desha Kala Upayoga Sanstha and Upayokta. Vitamin D, scientific name, sources, functions, deficiency disorders, and daily requirement. Nowadays, IT people, they suffer calcium and vitamin D deficiency because no sunlight. Sunlight, ultraviolet rays stimulate your skin and manufacturing of calcium and rather vitamin D. Okay, water-borne diseases, contaminated water like cholera, gastroenteritis, typhoid, jaundice, these are coming water-borne diseases. Right, the functions and benefits of Vajrasana and Sarvangasana, yoga postures, asana. What is Nadi Shuddhi Pranayama? Breathing exercises. Okay. What is Bandha? Describe short its different types. Now, LAQ. Describe in detail the types of diet nutrients according to the modern science. That is proximal principles of food. Protein, carbohydrate, fats, minerals, vitamins, and water. Write the sequence of Dinacharya. Also describe Grishma Rutucharya. Summer season, very hot. Pitta Prakop. So anti-pitta diet and behavior. Lifestyle should be anti-pitta. No garlic. No moving in the sun. Heat and hot is there. Cooling type of the beverages should be taken. Tender coconut water. Garcinia juice. Lemon juice. Best. But not cold drinks like Thumbs Up and Coca-Cola. They are aerated. Describe Shata Chakra from Yoga Shastra in detail. From up to down to upwards, Mooladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, Vishuddha, Sahasrara Chakra. These are the controlling the different functions based on endocrine system. What is naturopathy? Describe Mardana Chikitsa, massage in detail. Don't worry, next year, so blank CD is there, blank PPT is there. Summer 2016, describe the effects, dravya and essential parts of the body for Abhyanga, full body oil massage. Abhyangaha acharet nityam. Especially after 40 years, every person should do at least once in a week full body gentle massage with Narayana Tail, Bala Tail, etc. Write the signs of healthy individual as per Sushrut. I already mentioned the signs of health as per the Kashyapa Samhita. Sushrut, Samadoshaha Samagnishya. Samadhatu Malakriyaha. Prasanna Atma Indriya Manaha Swastha iti abhidhyate. Describe the Jalandhar Bandha. Describe Rutu Haritaki and Yama Danshtra. Write down the symptoms of Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Define moksha. Write the signs of Mukta Atma. The simple thing I will tell you, Sat Chit Anand. Permanent and eternal happiness, according to Deshpande, is a moksha. Okay, next. SAQ, define massage and states its different types. Write in detail about diet in naturopathy. Naturopathy, Panch Mahabhut, Prithvi, Jala, Teja, Vayu, Akash. Okay, write about the method, effects, and draw a figure of Pavan Muktasana and Paschimottanasana. Pavan Muktasana is very good posture to relieve the gas from the stomach. Some videos I will prepare on the asana postures. Don't worry. Describe Ashtau Nindita Purush. Too tall, gigantism, dwarfism. Too fat, weight loss, too lean. Too fair, too black. Too much hair, no hair. These are the endocrinal disorders mentioned in Ayurveda as Ashtau Nindita Purusha. Write about the milk composition and milk preservation methods. Describe Brahmacharya. Controlled sexual activity means Brahmacharya. No sex is not Brahmacharya. Controlled sexual activity. Abrahmacharya and their importance, which are Shami Dhanya, Shukadhanya, Shami Dhanya, etc. Vagbhata classification of food according to Ayurveda. Mention their characteristics. Elik, define pranayam, write the time of its study, duration, types, and describe 8 types of kumbhaka. For example, I am taking the deep breath. I am holding the breath. Holding the breath is called as a kumbhaka. If you hold the breath inside, antah kumbhak. If you hold outside, bahik kumbhak. Write down the factors affecting diet and describe ahar, vidhi, visheshayatan. Ashtau ahar, 8 factors. Prakriti, karana, sanyoga, rashi, desha, kala, upayoga samstha, and upayogta. Mention the chaya, prakopa, and prashama on the text of gunas. Describe rutucharya of the rutus when sharira and agni bala are the highest level. Sharira bala and agni bala, when it is highest, that is Hemant Rutu, beginning of winter, month of December, best health. Doctors, they get worried because it's something like a slag season. No patients come because everybody is happy and healthy in the month of December. Remember this. And you are asked to write down the Rutucharya of Hemant Rutu. Mention the principles of naturopathy. Describe mud therapy and hydro with water and with Prithvi Mahabhuta. Mud therapy and hydrotherapy in detail. Blank slide, don't worry. Next year begins. Winter 15. 3 marks. Types of Samadhi. Sources and deficiency of vitamin D. Eggs are the best. Milk is the best. Then cod liver oil is the best. Importance of Achara Rasayana or Sadavritta. How you should behave mentally, very nice. Ethical code of conduct. Always speak honest. Behave honestly. Non-violence. This is Achara Rasayana. The Pathya and Apathya diet in diabetes mellitus. Types of Nidra as per the Charaka Samhita, sleep. Then Viparitakarani Mudra, a type of the mudra. Pasteurization of milk. Types and importance of Bandha Yoga. Medicinal properties of mud, Prithvi Mahabhuta. Types of Yama. Yama, Niyama, Pranayama. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, and Samadhi, Ashta Yoga. 8 branches, 8 steps of yoga. The detailed description of health definition by Sushrut. Samadoshaha samagnischa samadhatu malakriya prasanna atma indriya manaha sastha itya vidiyate. the relation between Anjana Vidhi and eye health. In these days, when screen time is more, you must learn this technique of Anjana and care of eyes, because there is a problem of tiredness of the eyes, which is called as a asthenopia. Shittakari and Shitali pranayam. Next question. LAQ, describe the types of asana, posture, and write in procedure and advantages of Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana and Sarvangasana. What is Viruddha Ashana? Viruddhan, incompatible food, hot and cold. Milkshake, banana and milk, very, very bad. Viruddha Ahara according to Ayurveda. Describe 16 types of Viruddhasana with examples. What is the meaning of Visarga Kala? Describe the relation between Rutu and Dosha. Different methods and effects of Mardana Chikitsa, massage. Don't worry, next year, summer 15, write about the Nitya Sevaniya Dravya, which we can take every day. Takra, buttermilk, characteristics and benefits. Best digestant, best carbonative. Takram Shakrasya Durlabam. Takra is not available to the god. Write the procedure of Dosha Shodhana according to Rutu, season. Vasanta Rutu, Vamana, Vasantik, Vamana. Therapeutic vomiting, Panchakarma, Vamana. Grishma or rather Sharada Rutu, Pitta Prakop is there, Virechana Chikitsa. Varsha Rutu, rainy season, Vata Prakop, Pasti, medicated enema, best treatment. Then Gandusha and Kavala. Kavala, which you can move. Kavala. Gandusha, you cannot move. Gandusha. Kavala, you can move. The fluid inside the mouth. Brahma Muhurta Kal, early morning, and its importance. Yoga, Nirukti, and definitions. Vitamin D, scientific name, sources, functions, deficiency, rickets, osteomalacia, osteoporosis, osteopenia, backache, cervical spondylosis, lumbago, leg pain, deficiency disorders, and daily requirement. Dharaniya Vega and Adharaniya Vega. Dharaniya, your mental urges, bad thoughts, Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Madamatsara, Shadaripu. 6 enemies of mind. 6 negative thoughts of the mind, they are Dharaniya, which should be controlled. Types of Nidra. Ratri Prabhava Nidra, Swabhavika Nidra. Antaranga Yoga and Bahiranga Yoga. Types of yoga. Ashta Siddhi Yoga topic. Yukta Ayukta Lakshana of Pranayam. Very careful about Pranayam. You first learn and then you practice. Methods of preservation of food, keeping in the fridge, for example, salting. Then describe the Ahara Dvadasha Sthana Pravichara according to Sushrut. Ahara Dvadashasana Pravichara. Ashtanga Yoga, describe in detail. Yama, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyan, and Samadhi. What are the principles of Nisargopchar, naturopathy? Write in detail about Jala Chikitsa or hydrotherapy, cold water, hot water, etc. Write the sequence of Dinacharya, daily regimen from morning to night. Also describe in detail Vasanta Rutucharya, spring season, Kapha Prakop. Don't worry, next year, summer 2017, write the signs of Ati Vyayama, excessive exercise, weight loss, tuberculosis, immunity become low. Take care. Vitamin D deficiency disorders, rickets, osteomalacia, osteopenia, osteoporosis, cervical spondylosis, lumbar spondylosis, and leg pain. Right? Adharaniya Vega. Na Vegan Dharayet. Vata, Vit, Mutra, Kshavat, Trachudham, Nidra, Kasa, Shramashwas, Jurumbashru, Chardiretasam. But 13 natural urges, instincts, urges should not be stopped. If I want to go to urine, I must go. If I want to go WC, stools, I should defecation reflect, I must respect. If I am hungry, I must eat. If I am thirsty, I must drink the water. Simple thing. Natural urges should not be held and should not be forcefully done. Okay, next. Procedure and importance of peya. Mandapeya vilepi. These are the types of yavagu. And another is a yush. Yavagu is always prepared from rice. Rice and water. More water, only water. After cooking, that is mand. Then little soft rice is the very soft. That is peya. And what rice is more and very less water, that is vilepi. So mand, peya, vilepi are the types of yavagu. Gruel, English word, gruel. And kritayusha and akritayusha. That is the from the different grains, especially mung, green gram. Okay. What is aparigraha? Aparigraha, sadvritta, remember. Right? General rules of asana practice on empty stomach. Always remember. Loose clothes should be there while doing the postures. Right? Types of nidra and measures of nidra nasha. How you can treat insomnia. Shakta Dhauta Gruta on the palm. Silent music. No screen. Then you can sleep. Chanting of mantras. What are the Shata Chakras? Mooladhar, Swadhisthana, Manipur, Anahat, Ajna and Sahasrara. Describe Mooladhar Chakra at the anorectal region. Right types of the Upavasa, fasting. Mention importance of Langhana Chikitsa or Upavasa. Upavas means fasting, means Langhana. Agni Pradipta, digestive fire is stimulant. Write the science of Nadi Shuddhi Pranaya. Write benefits of Sarvangasana and Bhujangasana. Write Ahariya Varga, Shukadhanya, Shimbidhanya, Jala Varga, Mausa Varga, Ahara Yoni, that is spices, as per the Charak, and describe the Shimbi Dhanya, pulses. Green gram is very light to digest, and black gram, mash or udid, heavy to digest. Mung and udid, green gram and black gram, both are having proteins. But Ayurveda has a made difference. Ayurveda recommends green gram for the light digestion or easy digestion. Green gram is the best in the hyperacidity patients and not the black gram or the tura dal. Munga dal is the best. Right? Pasteurization of milk. Which rutus are described in Adanakal, Shishira Vasanta Grishma, Adanakal, Varsha Sharad Hemant Visargakal. What is meant by Adanakal? Sun is very strong. Sun is taking the energy. Low energy, Adanakal. More energy, Visargakal. Low energy, Adanakal. More energy, Visargakal. 3 seasons are in Adanakal. 3 seasons are in Visargakal. Right? Dinacharyokta Upakrama. Like Vyayam, Nasya, Abhyanga, Udavartana, Bhojana, etc. etc. Describe Abhyanga and Vyayama Vidhi in detail. Write about Swastha Purusha Lakshana, Samadoshaha Samagnischa, Samadhatu Malakriyaha, Prasanna, Atma, Indriya, Manaha, Swastha iti abhidhyate. Describe Ashta Ahara Vidhi Visheshayatana. I have already video on these topics. Ashta Ahara Vidhi Visheshayatana. Best video, Dr. Deshpande. My name in the what you can say the YouTube is Rajendra Space Deshpande and not Professor Deshpande. So for search, you write down Rajendra Space Deshpande. Then you will open the playlist and you will find nearly 20 groups Every subject of Ayurveda has been covered, and you see whatever you want. Okay, right? Ashtanga Yoga, Yam, Niyam, Asan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, and Samadhi. And describe the Dhyana, meditation, Dharana, and Samadhi. Don't worry, next year, winter 17, write about the Dravya dose time as per Rutu of Nasya, nasal drops, in Sasthavrit, Pratimarsha Nasya, only 2 drops, Marsha and Pratimarsha. Write the effects of Vyayama or exercise and mention the signs of Ati Vyayama. Excessive exercise can make you weak, weak, and immunity will be low, and you can suffer from infection like tuberculosis even. Mind well. Yes. Write the Yoga Siddhikara and Asiddhikara Bhav. Mention the procedure and benefits of sun bath. Sun bath is very popular in Europe. In the month of August, September, when I many times visited Germany and Spain, the people come and lie down on the beaches for sun bath, for tanning. They are happy with the sun. Write about Gandusha, fluid in the mouth. It's Dravya, Trifalakvat, for example, or sesame oil, for example, dose as mentioned in Dinacharya. Describe Naishtiki Chikitsa, that is Achara Rasayan, ethical code of conduct. Sadvritta. The different words, Swasthavritta, whole subject, and Sadavritta is a part of Swasthavritta. Sadavritta is related with your mind. Write about the diet of healthy individual in Grishma Rutu, anti-pitta diet, remember. No Katu, Amla and Lavana Rasa in Grishma Rutu. Write about the sources, daily requirement, deficiency disorders of vitamin A. A is different and D is different. Water soluble vitamins, fat soluble vitamins. B and C, water soluble. A, D, E, K, fat soluble vitamins. Okay. Describe about the Dvadashashana concept. Dvadashashana. Mention 5 definitions of yoga, which are the Adharaniya Vega. Na Vegan Dharayet, Vagbat. Vata Vidmutra Kshavatruchadam, Nidra Kasa Shramashwas, Jrumb Ashru Retasam, Jrumbashru Retasam. Define, write down the signs of any 2 Vegas. Can you see here? Define the health as per the WHO, World Health Organization. Mention the dimensions of health: physical health, mental health, emotional health, social health, spiritual health. These are the dimensions. Rutu Haritaki Rasayan, Terminalia Chevula. Okay, Haritaki. Trifala, Haritaki Beda and Avala. Describe the Ashtanga Yoga in detail. Yama, Niyamasan, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan and Samadhi. Describe Nidra, sleep, Utpatti, advantages and disadvantages of proper and improper sleep. This is very important nowadays, because young generation, they go to the bed at 1 p.m., late midnight, 2 p.m., 3 p.m., and then they sleep and get up in the next day at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. Problem, problem, problem. Because circadian rhythm is disturbed. Biological clock is disturbed. You are against the nature. Nature will hit you. Nature will kick you by giving diabetes, by giving hypertension, by giving heart diseases, lifestyle disorders. If you want not to get lifestyle disorders, follow the Swastha Vritta of Ayurveda. Describe mud therapy, massage and fasting. I just checked whether I have taken, yes. Fasting is Langana. Describe characteristics and methods of preservation of milk. Mention the rules of eating curd and buttermilk. Curd is a dadhi or dahi in Marathi. Buttermilk is a takra. Right types of the buttermilk. Please, my dear friends, remember, for everybody, allopathy, Ayurveda, homeopathy, Ayurveda recommends not to eat the curd at night. Never, never, never. In your life, don't take curd at night, at dinner. No curd, okay? Because you will suffer from sinusitis, edema, etc., etc. Don't worry, next year, summer 2018, SAQ 3 marks, Moksha Lakshana. Ahara, what is that? Prashasti, how the food is beneficial for the human being. Write the beneficence of Dantadhavana, brushing, okay? Types of Nastya, nasal drops, according to Charak. Avapidaka Sneha, fat substances like ghee, how you can take. Acha and Vicharana, these are the two types, how you can consume the ghee, right? Yoga Siddhikara Bhava. Difference between Raja Yoga and Hatha Yoga. I remember one of my yoga teacher, Sadashivrao Nimbalkar from Bombay. He always explains us that Hatha Yoga means like postures and all these things. Hatha Yoga is not Hatha Yoga. Is not forceful activity. Hatha in Marathi, English is a forceful activity. No, I want to do Padmasana, like twisting your body forcefully. No, no, no. Hatha Yoga is not Hatha Yoga, not to be done forcefully. Okay? Describe procedure and benefits of Dhanurasana. Types and benefits of Trataka. Looking towards you. I am doing Tratak. Continuous watching, staring. Okay? Describe Rutu Haritaki. Haritaki is a fruit. It should be taken in different seasons with different Anupan. Anupan is a carrier, which carries like madhu, honey, or ghee. These are the anupanas. Water, cold water, hot water. Right? Types of massages. Describe Vishama Bhojan. Right? Functions and deficiency of vitamin E. Very interesting. This is antioxidant vitamin used for treating the infertility cases. Vitamin E deficiency. Right? The importance of Rutucharya, seasonal regimen. Dinacharya, daily regimen. How you should behave in a day. How you should make your lifestyle modification according to the external seasons. That is called as a seasonal regimen. Describe Grishma Rutucharya. Define pranayam, breathing exercises, and describe the types. Describe in detail Ashta Ahar Vidhi Visheshayatan. Prakriti Karuna Sanyoga, Rashi Deshakala, Upayoga Sanstha and Upayokta. Right? Importance of naturopathy and describe in detail the mud therapy. Based on these question papers, you must stop on these topics when you are studying Sastavrutta subject. Sastavrutta Prayojana, Yoga, Vyayama, Rutu Haritaki, Yoga Siddhikara Bhava, Sushumna Nadi, Dhumapan, not Dhumrapan. Ashtau Ahara Vidhi Vishayatana, vitamin A, D, and E, waterborne diseases, Vajrasana, Sarvangasana, Pavana Muktasana, and Paschimottanasana, Pranayam, Bandha, Jalandhara, diet, nutrients, Rutucharya, especially Grishma and Varsha, Vasanta Rutucharya, Shata Chakra, Mardana Chikitsa, Abhyanga, science of healthy person, Moksha, Ashtau, Nindita Purusha, milk preservation methods, Brahmacharya. Nidra, hydrotherapy, mud therapy, Rutu and Dosha, Chaya Prakop Prashama, Achara Rasayan, Anjana Vidhi, Viruddha Ashana, Gandusha and Kavala, Dharaniya and Adharaniya Vega, Ashta Siddhi, Ahara, Dvadashashana Pravichar, Shat Chakra, Yoga Siddhikara and Asiddhikara Bhav. My dear friends, this is all about Swastavrutta question paper with discussion. Swastavrutta question paper with discussion, that is more important. You can contact me, Professor Deshpande @gmail.com for any personal online health consultations. Then for teaching purpose, if you want Professor Deshpande's private tuitions, these are all paid services. Then I do the palmistry as well. You are always welcome. I wish you all the best. Please take care of yourself. I wish you happy, healthy, and long life. Thank you very much. Take care. Now I am saying you bye-bye. So I will stop this sharing. Then I will end our video.